Are you drowning in a sea of paperwork every tax season? Feeling overwhelmed by the thought of organizing your financial documents? Don't worry, you're not alone. But fear not. With some practical tips and a step-by-step guide, you can breeze through tax preparation season like a pro. First, start by gathering all your financial documents in one place. This includes W-2 forms, 1E99s, receipts for deductible expenses, bank statements, investment statements, and any other relevant paperwork. Next, create a system for organizing these documents. Label folders or envelopes for each category, such as income, deductions, investments, and so on. This will make it much easier to find what you need when it's time to file your taxes. Consider going digital by scanning your documents and storing them securely on your computer or in the cloud. This not only reduces clutter, but also makes it easier to access your documents from anywhere. And here's a pro tip. Once you've scanned your documents, easily share them with your tax professional for seamless collaboration and faster tax preparation. And if you're still feeling overwhelmed, don't hesitate to seek help from financial experts like SK Financial. Their team of professionals can assist you in organizing your tax documents, maximizing your deductions, and ensuring compliance with tax laws. So, take control of your finances this tax season with these practical tips and the help of SK Financial. Don't let tax preparation stress you out any longer. Contact SK Financial CPA today.